Hey everyone, welcome to this hyper-focused explainer where we're dubbing straight into the absolute core of the TikTok monetization blueprint. You know, if you've ever wondered how those highly structured approaches to social media revenue are actually built literally right from step one, well, this is absolutely for you. So let's just jump right in.
Now, what I find really interesting right off the bat is this specific word, blueprint. Notice how the source doesn't just call this a casual guide, or, a loose outline, or some simple list of tips. By specifically naming it a blueprint, it immediately frames the whole strategy as a concrete structural foundation. Think about it. A blueprint implies intentional architecture. It means there's a precise, calculated design that's meant to be built upon step by step. It sets this really serious, deliberate tone for exactly what the authors are establishing here.
Okay, looking at our agenda for today, it's pretty tight. First, we'll be looking at the overarching monetization blueprint. And second, topic 1, making money.
So, starting off with section 1, the monetization blueprint.
The entire structure of this document is basically housed completely under this distinct architectural umbrella of monetization. The source actually defines its absolute first priority as the act of making money from TikTok. And honestly, think about how revealing that hierarchy actually is. It doesn't start with community building, it doesn't lead with algorithmic growth hacks, or even content creation strategies for that matter. The foundation, literally the very first block laid in this entire structure, is the ultimate end goal itself. That is huge.
Which brings us to our second section, topic 1, making money, the ultimate foundation.
So here is the exact driving mantra of the entire document: making money from TikTok. By putting this right at the very front of the framework, the source is completely dictating the lens through which every single subsequent action has to be viewed. Revenue generation, it's not an afterthought here. And it's certainly not just some happy byproduct of success. No way. It's the primary defining focus right out of the gate. Whenever we analyze source material like this, word order and topic hierarchy are just incredibly revealing. By making this the literal first topic, the blueprint establishes a clear, unwavering directive. Basically, it's saying you aren't here just to create, you are here to monetize.
So what does this all mean for us? Well, since the blueprint's very first established topic is revenue, we kind of have to end with a provocative question for your own strategy. And that is, are you ready to monetize? If you were to actually adopt this specific blueprint, your very first step wouldn't be shooting a video. It would be sitting down and answering this exact question. Understanding exactly how these structural documents prioritize their goals really helps us grasp the whole landscape of modern platform strategy. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today. I really hope this helps you look at the structure of the next blueprint you encounter with a much sharper eye.